Ubhekele ezemali ku-DA uDion George uthi i-DA ithi uhulumeni kufanele eseke kakhulu osomabhizinisi abasafufusa ukuze kwakheka amathuba emisebenzi kanye nokuzama ukufukula umnotho.
The government must take a flexible approach towards small business regulation, recognizing their importance as drivers of job creation and economic growth. This should include the relaxation of labour regulations such as the minimum wage and working hour requirements, allowing small businesses to focus on their core operations without being encumbered by excessive regulation and taxes. Regulation should only be imposed when necessary for public health, safety and welfare, and should be designed such as their impact on small businesses.
Iqembu lithi inqubomgomo yezisebenzi engeyinhle yiyo eholele ekutheni izinkulungwane zabantu bakuleli ziphelelwe imisebenzi.
The number of employed people dropped from 16.3 million in 2019 to 14.1 million in 2020, essentially wiping out more than a decade's progress on job creation. By the third quarter of 2022, the number of people with jobs had only recovered to 15.8 million, still below the level of 16.3 million recorded in pre-COVID 2019.
I-DA lo nyaka uqale kabi kakhulu njengoba kubonakala uhlelo lokucisha konga ugesi nekuyinto ebonakala izoxosha abatshali imali.
This situation not only hinders productivity but also undermines the confidence of investors, as the possibility of realizing a positive return on investment is impeded by recurrent power outages that are evidently politically induced. There has been a notable lack of action taken over the past 15 years to address the persistent scarcity of energy supply. Eskom is representative of the failure of centralized government and its inability to provide sustained energy supply, as rolling blackouts have estimated to cost the South African economy between 1.5 billion and 4 billion rand per day. The failing state-owned enterprise sector remains the greatest barricade to the realization of virtuous economic growth in South Africa.
I-DA yagcizelela ukuthi kufanele idayiswe i-Eskom kuvulelwe abazimele abangakwazi ukukhiqiza ugesi.